What's up, everyone? Let's have a honest conversation about BlackRock. I think there is a lot of misunderstanding of what BlackRock does, and especially more recently, Bitcoin price jumped quite a lot, and there was a whale buying a few $1 billion worth of Bitcoin, and everyone was like, "Oh, it's Larry Fink, the BlackRock CEO, is BlackRock buying Bitcoin ahead of the ETF approval?" And no, BlackRock is not buying Bitcoin. Like, I'm 99% sure that BlackRock is not buying Bitcoin. And what people don't understand is that BlackRock doesn't buy assets and crypto in Bitcoin and commodities and stocks in companies because they want for themselves. BlackRock is an asset management company. Basically, they manage the assets of other people. They buy things and stocks and companies and bonds and commodities and crypto eventually in the future on behalf of their clients. And who are their clients? Well, it's pretty much everyone from pension funds, endowments, universities, foundations, charities, and people like you and me. BlackRock at the moment has over 500 different ETFs. When you see those ETFs that are like iShare something, it's a BlackRock ETF. And millions of people in the world are exposed to these ETFs directly or indirectly. You can go to your stockbroker account and you buy iShares S&P 500 ETF that is managed by BlackRock. So I think it's very misleading when someone says that, oh my God, BlackRock is this like evil entity that has all this power. Well, they have power because there are millions and millions of people and institutions around the world that are giving BlackRock money for them to manage. And then they go and need to manage the money the best way. And then to do that, they buy stocks in companies. So people often say, oh my God, BlackRock controls all the pharmaceuticals and social media and big tech in the US and this and that, oh, evil corporation. I'm not trying to defend BlackRock, okay? I don't like the ESG narrative. I don't like many of the things that BlackRock does. But when people say that, oh, they are evil because they have such power and control, where people are giving them the power, okay? It's not that they go and buy huge positions in pharmaceutical companies or in social media companies or tech companies or automotive companies because they want. They buy because people give them money for them to buy, okay? So I wanted to clarify that they don't do proprietary trading. They don't buy assets for their own profit. They buy assets for profit of the people that are managing the assets for, or for if you own an iShares ETF, it's for you to profit. And of course, they take a fee from that. They take 1, 2, 3%, whatever are the fees that they take. But this is basically how BlackRock, Vanguard, Fidelity, these big asset management companies work. So yeah, I'll have a lot of criticism towards BlackRock, but this wouldn't be one of the criticisms. And when there is a whale buying a huge amount of stocks or crypto, if it is BlackRock, it's because there is a whale behind BlackRock. BlackRock itself is not a whale that is trying to buy assets. It's because there is someone else, an institution or an individual or someone with money or a group of people that ask BlackRock to buy. They bring their money to BlackRock for BlackRock to manage. And this is pretty much how asset management companies work. All right, I hope this helped to clarify a little bit. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe. I wanted to make this video because I saw a lot of people recently saying, oh, Larry Fink and BlackRock, they are buying Bitcoin ahead of the ETF. And I'm like 99.9% sure that they are not buying, they are not on that business, right? They are on the business of charging fees to manage someone else's money. They are not in the business of they themselves speculating. They are in the business of bringing speculation to other people. If you want to invest and give your money to BlackRock, if you want to buy an ETF that is managed by BlackRock, you are the one that is speculating, not BlackRock. They are not on the business of speculation. They are in the business of making money from people that are speculating, and these people need to pay them fees. They are in the business of making fees from managing the assets of someone else. All right, I'll see you next time.